I live in Colorado, and in Colorado, one of the most popular cars right now is the Rivian R1T. And I get it, electric trucks are here, electric trucks are efficient, and they're emissions free. But to me, the Rivian R1T just sits a little low. I love the proportions, I love the style, but I'm always like, why doesn't it sit a little bit higher? Why can't they make it look just a little bit more aggressive? And then, hey, we're at SEMA. Look what we have. We have probably the world's coolest Rivian R1T. It's lifted. Look at this thing. It's so high. I can't even reach the top. And in addition to that, we got my favorite manufacturer of off-road wheels, Black Rhino. Look at these. I love these wheels. The perforations, the style, the star. But look at this thing. Look how the lift has just transformed it into something serious. You got the step up, you got the lights, and in addition, you can go camping with this. Plus, out back, we got a couple of electric motorbikes that are ready to just rumble when you hit the trails. But I tell you what, this truck is just sensational. What do you think about the lifted Rivian R1T? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave your comments below, and we'll see you next time on Throdle.